So we're going to get these pieces cut up on the mill, or excuse me. Welcome back to the channel. At work again, still early, in here a little before everybody else. Cut out my track bar pieces last night on the CNC, and I need to clean up my tabs, or my slots for my tabs here. So I've got myself set up on the mill here, and we'll get these cleaned up. Stick around.
A few moments later. I'm not getting too particular here. I'm just trying to open it up a little bit. Make sure these things fit. See how much what I gotta do here. Looks like I need to open them up just a bit more on the ends. So, back in, back down. This should work. Yeah, once everything's bent, that should fit fine. So we got our slots made out here. Now we need to go over and get our holes drilled. Then over to the press, get things bent into shape. A few minutes later.
All right. Drilled out. All right, I think it's all my pieces drilled.
slots are done. So at this point, I'm gonna take time to get to work. And I'll break, we'll get these pieces bent, and maybe if we get time, weld it up today. Stick around, more to come.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time card.
I was going to show you guys me bending the material as I needed, but the hydraulic pump is so loud you would just be able to hear anything anyway. But anyway, that's that big tan monster over there behind the bandsaw. Got these bent, a little off here. I'll probably pull it back with a clamp. I'm just going to tack these in place and get this thing set up. Got my big set up. And we'll throw down some tackle. this piece. So that means back to the drawing board, sketching it out, cutting it out, and we'll be back tomorrow with a new piece to come up here. want to make sure it fits correctly on the axle. So we'll see you tomorrow. Continue this thing.
Tomorrow for sure.
Welcome back. Well, obviously it's been several days beyond just tomorrow. The weather here has been really crazy. Last week was bitter cold, near zero without the wind chills. Today was 45. I think yesterday was 58. So we got a lot of rain instead of snow, which I'm okay with that. But in the meantime, I did get the new piece made and cut. I did add up to here. I thought I'd add a little more strength to keep this from spreading a little bit, which that really shouldn't be a big deal. I thought this looked aesthetically a little better. I still need to grind these welds. The rest of it's done. So that is the track bar mount for the 05 Super Duty Dana 60 I'm planning to build. In the meantime, I have been, with the weather being kind of the way it's been, as you can see here, been working with the knuckle here to get a high steer. And let's see here if I can do this, and I'll bring some drawings. I've been getting stuff designed up here on Fusion. And I'll probably get a lot of it cut this weekend. I need to run down to Steel Yard and get some 3/8 plate for the knuckles, or for the high steers. But I have plenty of 1/4 inch, so let me bring the camera in here and I'll show you what I've been drawing up. So this is what I've come up with as far as the high steer. We've got a piece of pipe come up from the knuckle, it comes all the way through, it welds up, you get your top and your bottoms here. And I have a 2-inch spread for 7/8 times. So we got a 1-inch hole here for a bolt, and then 3/4 inch holes for the drag link and crossover. So we got that all set up. And let's see, from there I've also got the upper link mount for the 3-link. Got it all designed. Probably get it cut this weekend and get it ready for the take in, to where I get to need just one piece that has to be bent. And well, actually these 3 pieces actually all need bent a little bit. But that is my 3-link tower. And then I've got a combination coil mount and lower link mounts that I have set up here. So we'll get those cut out as well. But that's where we're going on next, is getting those pieces made up. So stick around. So we're going to get these pieces cut up on the mill, or excuse me. So we're going to get these pieces cut up this weekend, get them cleaned up, get them ready for welding. But this is Atwood's Garage. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and comment below. We'll see you next time as we get this stuff cut. Take care.